and here you are with the Arduino itself and a couple of stickers. Yes, of course you want those, you don't want to miss them. Okay, you want to have the stickers around, you want to show off to your friends that you have bought an Arduino Uno original one. Okay, another great day here at MacTech, and that is because we are doing, well, as you might have guessed, we're doing another unboxing today. And this is kind of, this channel is not just about unboxing, it's about tech, it's about unboxing, it's about review, it's about vlogs, it's about many things, and I do videos about all these things. And when I can in one video combine multiple contents, like the different types of contents are like tech, unboxing, review, and so I make different videos. What I want to say is that I make different videos on each of these contents, and on a special day like today, I get to do two kinds of videos or even multiple kinds of videos in just one video. Now that is like today I'm unboxing, but I'm unboxing a very great tech product here. And whereas the previous video you might have gone through, if you have gone through the previous video, do go through, otherwise the link will be somewhere here. Click on that somewhere here, or in the description I will link the video. Yes, this is also an expensive product and I use it for many of my projects, and well, so far I think I have almost 5 to 6 of these, but they're all clones. And what this is actually, as you might have guessed, it's an Arduino Uno. And yes, this thing cost me, well, the original cost of this one is not here. The original cost is something like 3 grand or 4 grand or something, but I bought this on Amazon, and that is why I got this for a little cheap. There was an offer, and this thing cost me 2 grand 25 rupees. And so yeah, I have opened it, but then I said why not make a video, and so I did not go any further in the box. I just set up my camera and here I am. So let's get inside the box. As you can see, the packing is really great. All the documentary, as you can see, it's folded. All the documentary is folded and it's right here. Can you see that? Whoa. Now this itself shows you that this is an expensive box. Okay, it's an expensive product. This itself shows you that you have really paid a good amount of buck for this. So as you go in the box, you can see that, and it's a lot of bubble wrap, which I always like to, and here we are with the, I bought this from Robo India, Amazon. Okay, Robo India is the seller on Amazon who sold this, and yeah, so I can see some things in there here. So let's just get in and some customer care and so on and so forth, because this is an expensive product and you can't be receiving some damaged products. So before you go ahead and open this up, they have you covered. And then as you open, well, before going to the Arduino Uno itself, you can see the amount of packing for the cable. Just the cable, the amount of perfection and precision in packing. So this is the, if I'm not wrong, this is the USB type D. That is what you connect right here, like that, and you upload the program and so on and so forth that you want to the Arduino. And yeah, so this I think is a 1.5 meter. Well, that's quite long, so I think that's 1.5 meters or something. I don't know though. It's a USB 2.0 cable, gauge high performance, okay, whatever it is. Now the real attraction, I wish you could smell this. This is so great. Fresh. It's fresh from the manufacturer. And here you are with the Arduino itself and a couple of stickers. Yes, of course you want those. You don't want to miss them. Okay, you want to have the stickers around. You want to show off to your friends that you have bought an Arduino Uno original one. Some more paperwork that you are probably never gonna read, but this is very important because as I was ordering this on Amazon, I saw that this thing had a 10-day return or something. So yeah, of course this is what is going to be the requirement for all of that. But yeah, until then, but one more thing I am really concerned about is whether if they have the original price on the box, but I don't think so. We love open source. Can they see that? Yeah, we love open source. So this is an open source board that you can modify and so on and so forth. It comes with this case that protects the underside of the PCB board by not to get shorted and so on and so forth, because this thing has like a lot of soldering and so on and so forth going on there. And even on the case right there you have the Arduino logo. This is the Arduino logo right there. Oh yeah. This thing actually really comes in handy. I even though I was using clones, you don't get this with clones, and clone is like a duplicate copy of this. This is the original one, comes from Italy. And yeah, on other boards as well, it's written downside that it comes from Italy, but it does not come from Italy. It just was manufactured in your backyard. Okay, so this is what is the real thing right here, the original product. And this thing does not come with the clones, as I said, and so I had bought these because this is really important, because you want to protect this from not getting shorted out and so on. And also, if you are really concerned about not bolting this down into your project setup, whatever project you're doing, then you can just bolt this down and you can just set this up into that. Okay, and it clicks in quite nicely, so that you don't have to go ahead and worry about anything. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Now I also do have a couple of clones of this particular product, so you can easily see that it is very identical, but you can see the color, the quality, and the presentation. That's what's really important, as you can see right here. And well, the thing that I wanted to show you was this thing right here. It says made in Italy. Right here it says made in Italy, but this was not made in Italy. Okay, this was made in Italy. So that's the thing about that. the main thing by which you can actually find out whether if it is an original or a clone is by, you see this little golden spot here, right here, see that? Now if you can see on this one, there are some numbers written in golden, but if you see on this one right here, there is a infinity logo right here. Yeah, okay, so you can see that right here, this part, and right here, this part, this one has numbers and this one has that infinity logo. So you want to look for that one. Now if you have that infinity logo, then it's an original one. And another thing that I found out was on this USB type D or whatever it is connection female pin right here, you can see this line, this particular line that goes all the way, and this thing, you will not notice that line on the original Arduino Uno USB connection, right? USB female connection right here, you will not find that line. Can you see that? And of course the color, and when you open the box, you see all this and you know that it is an original Arduino. Neither the box nor the wire nor the paperwork comes, nor does this kind of clone be presented to you like this. Okay, so that's one more way how you can find out that this is not a actual product. I will put the link of all this down below. I'll put the link of the clone version and the original version. And if you guys are thinking what exactly happens when you buy the clone instead of the original, well, nothing much other than when you buy 100 of original Arduinos, from those 100 only one might not work. But when you buy these clones, well, maybe only 20 out of the 100 will work and the rest won't work. And from the 20 that work, now the problem that I have with this particular clone is that you see these digital pins, only 5 of these digital 13 digital pins with including 0, so it becomes 14 digital pins. From those 14 digital pins only 5 work and the other don't. And when I connect the other and those 5, they start misbehaving, and so this one will not have that problem. Other than that, well, this one works just like this one. It's not a big deal, but when you buy this one, you're gonna have pretty hard time. When you buy this one, you just don't gotta, worry about just anything. Just connect this to your PC, dump the program in there, and you're ready to go. So yes, that's it about this particular video and product. And yeah, if you have not seen the previous video, go ahead and see that previous video if you are well. And also I'm gonna keep you updated about the project that I'm speaking about, because of which I bought this and that car back there. And yeah, enjoy and have a nice day.